Are you curious about how healthcare technology is transforming the industry? Do you want to learn how Medtech, digital health, Biotech, and Healthtech can help you drive innovation and grow within your organization? Tune in to this episode of Provider's Edge, where we explore the unique differences between these fields and provide insights on how healthcare leaders can stay ahead in the rapidly evolving healthcare industry. Welcome to Provider's Edge, the podcast that helps healthcare entrepreneurs break down barriers and control their business, life, and future with valuable action steps. With me, your host, Sabrina Rumbach, a recovered clinician and a business ambassador. Let's rewrite the rules and create a positive social impact while increasing profitability. As the healthcare industry continues to evolve, new technologies and products are emerging at an unprecedented pace. Medtech, digital health, biotech, and healthtech are just a few examples of the exciting and rapidly evolving field that healthcare leaders need to understand. By understanding the unique differences between these fields, you as a healthcare leader can identify opportunities to improve patient outcome, reduce healthcare costs, and optimize your operations. In this episode, we will explore the differences between these categories of medtech, digital health, biotech, and healthtech, and how understanding these differences can help you to run a successful healthcare organization in this fast-paced and ever-changing world of healthcare technology. So let's dive in. The first one we wanted to explore is medtech, medical technology. Medtech is a rapidly growing field that focuses on developing innovative medical devices and technology to diagnose, monitor, and treat medical conditions. These devices can include anything from surgical instruments and diagnostic imaging machines to artificial organs and prostheses. Medtech can be hardware or software, and it can be used in hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare settings. One of the most significant benefits of medtech is that it can help healthcare providers deliver more accurate diagnosis and treatments, leading to improved patient outcomes. For example, the development of advanced imaging technology like MRI and CT scan have revolutionized the way us healthcare providers diagnose and treat diseases. And from a cardiology standpoint, if people who has a really good cardiac CT scanner, patients with coronary diseases who come in for a suspected heart attack can go directly to a CTA for a cardiac scan instead of a cath lab, depending on the timing and availability of these facilities. Medtech can also help reduce healthcare costs by making treatments more efficient and effective. For instance, robotic surgery system can enable more precision and less invasive surgery, leading to shorter hospital stay and lower recovery time. I was exposed to robotic surgery even back when I was just in undergrad, shadowing urologists who did robotic prostatectomy. In my career, as you know, I work in CT surgery. So we have plenty patients who've gone through robotic lung surgery, wedge resection, lobectomy, and other procedures. However, developing medtech can be a complex and challenging process. Medtech developers must navigate stringent regulatory requirements, clinical trials, and a highly competitive marketplace. Healthcare leaders who are interested in medtech should be aware of these challenges and to work to develop partnerships with experienced medtech developers and industry experts for them to be successfully go to market and be recognized for the incredible innovation that they have created. If you are a healthcare entrepreneur, founders, or startup innovators looking to accelerate your social mission and increase profitability, don't hesitate to reach out to me, sabrinarumback.com/connect, or you can find me on LinkedIn to have a virtual coffee chat. Let's discuss how we can take your healthcare business to the next level and leverage my network of supports for your growth. The second term we wanted to define is digital health. It is a broad term that encompasses anything of use in digital technology. This is including electronic medical record, mobile health apps, wearables, and telemedicine. Digital health technologies are often designed to improve patient outcome, increase efficiency, and reduce costs as well. One of the most significant benefits of digital health is that it can help healthcare providers deliver a more personalized care to their patients. For example, a mobile app can enable patients to monitor their health and communicate more effectively with healthcare providers. Telemedicine can also enable patients to receive medical consultation and care from the comfort of their home, reducing the need for costly ER visit or hospitalization. On top of that, for many people who do not have primary care established and have to wait a very extended amount of time to see a primary care or any subspecialty consultants that usually takes weeks or months to get an appointment, we can create higher accessibility to the right patient at the right time of care. Digital health can also help healthcare providers optimize their operations and reduce costs. Electronic health record can enable more effectiveness for patient data management, reduce the need for paper-based records and manual data entry. Now, electronic medical record doesn't matter. It's Epic, Sorium, Medtech, all different ones. There are hundreds of them out there. So the challenge in having EHR is that most of them do not communicate with each other unless everything is the same technology. So we're definitely still evolving in those areas. On the other side, there are digital health platforms. For example, MRG Health are connected to all electronic medical record and all wearable devices. So it becomes a central hub of data collection and sending to the right side of healthcare workers to analyze those data and continue their involvement with their patients, plus communicate with the patient side and their family members to make sure when people are not in front of a healthcare professional, they still have the accountability, they still have the understanding to take care of themselves at home. Now, wearables can also enable healthcare provider to monitor the patient's health remotely. For Apple user and Samsung, the same has built-in apps to tracking your activities. Why wear a Fitbit? To work out, walking around, and sleep to monitor how well I am keeping my body in a optimum state. There are plenty other devices out there that are built in for your cell phone versus a device, a patch, for example, that conduct continuous EKG monitoring, continuous glucose monitoring, truly reduce the need for costly inpatient consultations, and data can be sent to the provider much sooner to make a decision on change course of their care management. However, digital health can also present challenges, such as ensuring patient privacy and data security. Healthcare leaders who are interested in digital health should work to develop partnership with experienced digital health developers and cyberspace experts. The third category that we'll be discussing is biotech. biotechnology, which refer to use of biological process, organisms, or system to develop new product or technology. In healthcare, biotech companies often develop drug, vaccines, and other treatments based on biological processes. This include gene therapy, stem cell therapy, and personalized medicine. One of the most significant benefits of biotech is that it can help healthcare providers develop more targeted and effective treatment for a wide range of medical conditions. For example, gene therapy can enable healthcare providers to treat genetic disorders at the molecular level, while personalized medicine can help healthcare providers develop treatments tailored to individual patients' genetic profile. Biotech can also help reduce healthcare costs by making treatments more efficient and effective. For instance, the development of biosimilars, which are cheaper versions of biologic drugs, has enabled more patients to access life-saving treatments. However, developing biotech product can be complex and expensive process, requiring extensive research and development. Clinical trials can be billions of dollars, and regulatory approval is also tough to meet standards. Healthcare leaders who are interested in biotech should work to develop partnership with experienced biotech developers and industry experts. If you found this episode of Provider's Edge podcast informative and insightful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could leave a review on my LinkedIn profile or iTunes. Your feedback will help us improve our content and reach a wider audience, enable us to provide more value to healthcare leaders like you. Thank you for your support, and let's get back to the rest of our show. The fourth category we want to talk about is health tech. Health technology is a general term that refers to any technology or product designed to improve health and healthcare. This can include anything from fitness app and nutritional tracker to medical device and telemedicine all combined. Health tech can be hardware or software, and it can be used by healthcare providers, patients, or both. One of the most significant benefits of health tech is that it can help patients take a more active role in their own health and well-being. For example, fitness apps and nutrition tracker can enable patients to monitor their exercise and eating habits, helping them to make healthier choices. Health tech can also help patients access healthcare services more easily, such as telemedicine consult and online scheduling. You might ask, how is this different from the other categories that we talked about, Medtech, Biotech, and digital health? They're very similar because health tech is a big umbrella that includes pretty much everything. And sometimes it's just a personal preference and geographical preference. While health tech shares some similarity with digital health, medtech, and biotech, it can be a distinct field by its own application and focus. Digital health specifically refers to the use of digital technology in healthcare, while medtech focusing on developing innovative medical devices and technology to diagnose, monitor, and treat medical conditions. While biotech refers to the use of biological process, organism, or system to develop new product and technology. So health tech encompasses a wide range of product and technology and can be used across all areas of healthcare, from patient care to management to administrative and telemedicine platforms, wearables, mobile health apps, and remote monitoring technologies. Overall, health tech is rapidly growing and dynamic field that is transforming the healthcare industry. By leveraging the power of technology, healthcare providers and organizations can improve patient outcome, reduce costs, and optimize their operation. In conclusion, these categories are all exciting and rapidly evolving fields within the healthcare industry. By understanding the unique benefit and challenges of each of these fields, healthcare leaders can better identify opportunities to improve patient outcome, reduce healthcare costs, and optimize their operation. Developing partnership with the experienced developers and industry experts can help healthcare leaders navigate the complex and rapidly evolving landscape of healthcare technology and drive innovations and growth within their organization. So you might ask, Sabrina, so what kind of questions or things I should consider to build that strong strategic partnership? Well, when healthcare leaders like yourself partner up with a technology company, you need to ensure that this company are choosing to fit your organizational need. Here are some key questions that you should ask when partnering up with a technology company. 1, what's the company's track record? Healthcare leaders like yourself should investigate the company's history, including past success and failures. This can help you assess the company's ability to deliver quality products and services, as well as its level of risk. Number 2, what's the company's expertise? You as a leader should evaluate the company's level of expertise in the healthcare technology arena. How are they building up their credibility? Are there publications? Are there recognizable leaders within those companies that's also recognized by your industry peers? This is including assessing the company's experience in healthcare regulatory compliance, data privacy, security, and operations. And that also leads to the next question, number 3, what is the company's reputation? Healthcare leaders should investigate the company's reputation within the healthcare industry. This includes evaluating customer reviews, media coverage, and industry awards and recognitions. Number 4, what's the company's business model? You should evaluate the company's business model, including its revenue stream and pricing structure. This can help them assess the company's level of transparency and alignment with the healthcare industry's value and goals. Especially your organization's mission and goals can be very different from your neighbor, another large organization down the road. So make sure everybody is working toward a similar mission. Number 5, what's the company's approach to data privacy and security? You wanted to evaluate the company's approach to data privacy security because this can include assessing the company's policy and procedure for protecting patient data or sharing patient data, or how to allow both the organization and the power back to the patient to use their data, as well as its ability to comply with healthcare regulatory requirements. Number 6, what's the company's level of customer support? If you need help and support or modification in the services or technology they're delivering, including the ability and responsiveness of this company's customer service team is crucial. Number 7, last but not least, what's the company's level of innovation? Healthcare leaders should evaluate the company's level of innovation, including its research and development efforts and its ability to develop and implement new technology that can improve patient outcome and healthcare operation. By asking these key questions, healthcare leaders like yourself can evaluate potential technology partners and ensure that they are choosing a partner that can help them achieve their goals and drive innovation and growth within their organization. Medtech, Biotech, digital health, and Healthtech are all related to the healthcare industry, but they have different focus and application. Medtech refer to medical device and equipment. Digital health is use of digital technology, and biotech is use of biological process to develop new product and technology. And health tech is a broad term that encompasses any technology or product design to improve health and healthcare. Healthcare leaders need to understand the differences between these fields to identify opportunities to improve your patient outcome, reduce healthcare costs, and optimize their operations. They should also ask the right questions when partnering up with technology company to ensure they're choosing the right partner for their organization. By evaluating potential technology partners, healthcare leaders can drive innovation and growth within their organization and achieve their goals. Subscribe to Provider's Edge podcast to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in healthcare technology and business development. Each episode, we bring you insightful discussion and expert opinions on the cutting edge of healthcare business growth, as well as providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in this rapidly evolving industry. Don't miss out on future episodes. Subscribe now.